Hello everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. In today's video, we're taking a detailed look at the latest construction progress at the Camp Nou and talking about what work is currently taking place around the stadium. If you enjoy regular updates on major construction projects and stadium developments, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Construction work at the Camp Nou continues to move forward steadily. At the moment, the main focus is on strengthening structural elements and preparing multiple areas of the stadium for the next phases of the project. While some of these changes might not look very dramatic from the outside, they are extremely important and form the foundation for everything that comes next. A lot of attention is currently on the seating areas and supporting structures. Work is ongoing on reinforcement, alignment, and preparation of the stands. These areas need to be fully ready before major installations such as roofing elements, service systems, and final finishes can begin. This stage is crucial for ensuring stability, safety, and long-term durability of the stadium. Inside the stadium, work continues at pitch level and in internal zones. This includes groundwork, access routes, and the installation of technical infrastructure. Even though much of this work is not always clearly visible, it plays a key role in how the stadium will operate once it is completed. These internal preparations are essential for future phases to progress smoothly and without delays. Looking ahead, the upcoming stages are expected to focus more on vertical construction and roof-related elements. As these phases move forward, progress will become far more noticeable, both from inside the stadium and from the surrounding areas. This is when the transformation of the Camp Nou will really begin to stand out and take its final shape. Overall, progress is continuing step by step, and each phase brings the project closer to completion. While timelines can change, the steady work being carried out now is setting the stage for the most visually impressive parts of the renovation. That's all for today's Camp Nou construction update here on MegaVerse Builds. If you enjoy these updates, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.